Chronicles. August 17, 1969. Hurricane Camille hits United States. On August 17, 1969, Hurricane Camille, one of the strongest hurricanes to hit the United States, made landfall on the Gulf Coast. The hurricane brought devastating winds, heavy rainfall, and widespread destruction to parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and other southern states. The aftermath of Hurricane Camille led to discussions about disaster preparedness, emergency response, and the need for effective measures to mitigate the impact of natural disasters.